Your business exists to fund your life and not the other way around. I'm Marilee Spot, the life centered accountant. If you're a business owner who wants your business to properly fund your life, then this will help. I meet capable, hardworking business owners all the time, and they're not lazy, they're not careless, but many are unclear. They're working incredibly hard, but not entirely sure what it is all for. Revenue is growing, clients are increasing, but stress is not reduced. The monthly pressure, am I going to make payroll? Is there going to be enough to pay the mortgage at the end of the month? There's just not quite enough every month. More revenue should mean more ease, but often it isn't the case. More revenue does not equal less pressure. I know many owners think it is the answer, but it is not. Revenue is a result. It's something that happened and it doesn't tell you what you require for the next month or for your life or for your future. So it is clear to say that the real issue isn't revenue. It is clarity. It is, why are you in business? Why does this business exist? Many owners started their businesses for many different reasons, but never got clarity of that one thing that is driving them forward. Why am I in my business? And what is the purpose of my business? And I want to tell you today, the purpose of your business is to fund the life that you want, to fund the life that you deserve, to fund the life that your family deserve. And I want to introduce you to a concept, the freedom number. So before we talk about long-term wealth, we need to talk about stability now. And the freedom number is the annual profit your business must generate to support the life you want without the constant pressure. So let's look what happens every month. This is your bucket. And every month money comes in. And that will be from your salary and dividends. Money flows in from your business. And then we have money flowing out every month. And that will be tax, your lifestyle, savings, and maybe some loans or debt. And that money funds, that's flowing out, the money in your bucket is funding your lifestyle and obligations. And then we've got other numbers too. We've got your house, we've got your pension, and we've got your business. These are your assets, and they sit outside the bucket because you can't spend them unless you sell them. If more is going out than what's going in, this bucket is going to run on empty. And that is what we're trying to avoid. And that's where the pressure builds. That's where the sleepless nights are coming in. So the freedom number determines whether these inflows are strong enough. If the business isn't producing enough profit to sustain this flow, as we said, the bucket runs empty. So let's look at how the numbers, how we kind of get to your freedom number. And again, this is just a very simple example, but when we work with people, we go really deep on this because it really does matters, because it gives profit a purpose. So let's look at your lifestyle. Let's say you need 80,000 a year. Tax, 20,000. Again, examples. You want to put away savings, 20,000 a year. And then you want a rainy day buffer of £10,000. So that means your business has to give you £130,000 profit after tax. So if your business is not producing this £130,000 of sustainable profit, the pressure will keep on being there, even if revenue is rising. Next number we've got the freedom number, and then the next number we have the life number. The life number looks further ahead. It represents the total financial security required so that work becomes optional, that freedom, different for everybody. Do you want to not work Fridays? Do you only want to work 20 hours a week? What is your retirement looking like? And that will be the wealth accumulation. So when that inflow exceeds the outflow, that is where the surplus builds. And that surplus funds your life number. So we can say the freedom number funds the life number. And it stabilizes. The freedom number stabilizes today, and the life number defines the destination. If you don't define your freedom number, you chase revenue blindly, you accept the wrong clients, you price emotionally, you overwork, and you never feel secure. Like I said earlier on, pricing profit for purpose. So your business exists to fund your life. Your business exists to bring security for the future. Not to consume it, not to drain it, not to feel like a liability. So when you know your freedom number, the pressure reduces because it's got purpose. And when you know your life number, direction improves. So it is clear to say that clarity changes everything. I'm Marilee Spot, and I'm the life-centered accountant. If you want to see the potential that there is in your business, I want to invite you to click on the link below. It is a business potential calculator. It's got no email you have to put in, pure value to see what potential there is in your business. The link below.